A charged body is placed at A having charge QA equal to Q, and another uncharged body is placed at B having charge QB equal to 0. If two bodies are brought very close to each other, in that case induction occurs and some amount of charge will be induced on this uncharged body. So what is the expression of the charge induced on this body? That is QB prime equal to minus Q 1 minus 1 by K, where K is dielectric constant. Where K is the dielectric constant of this body. Dielectric constant. Dielectric constant of the body B, uncharged body B. And this is the induced charge. Induced charge on which body? On the uncharged body. Uncharged body. So if the uncharged body is metal, is made of metal, is made of metal, in that case what will be the value of dielectric constant? The value of dielectric constant, value of dielectric constant will be K equal to infinity, which is important. K is equal to infinity. Therefore, what will be the expression of induced charge? Charge induced on this body or to this body, minus Q 1 minus 1 by infinity. In place of K we have written infinity, and 1 by infinity is 0, that's why QB prime equal to minus Q. That means if a metal uncharged body is brought in the vicinity of a charged body, in that case equal and opposite charge will be induced. Same amount of charge but opposite in nature will be induced on the uncharged body, metal body.